Assalamu alaikum Chatoray party. Today we are making delicious chicken egg rolls. So without any delay,
let's chatpat into it.
For making wrapper, we will start by adding 2 eggs in a large bowl and whisk them. Add some milk and whisk it. Here goes our white flour. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Cornflour. Salt. And finally, black pepper. And if you see any lumps in the batter, you can strain it. One important thing is that our batter should be runny, like this. Well, that was easy. It's time to make our chicken filling. Heat oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic, add crushed ginger, now chicken mince. Don't you love chicken mince? If you do, comment below. Fry the mince until its color changes. The color has changed, so now we will add some salt. Red chilli. And chili flakes. Oh, there are 2 types of chilies in this. I think these rolls are going to be spicy. Add some turmeric powder too. Mix it well on a medium heat. Now add crushed cumin seeds and crushed coriander seeds. Mix well. Then cover and cook for 5 minutes. Wow, look at the colors. They're so beautiful. Now time to add our vegetables. We will start by adding our cabbage. Mix them well. And add some capsicum. Wow, that gives it a fresh look. Now add some carrots. One of the reasons I love these are that they are so nutritious and really yummy. Now add allspice powder and mix well. And our filling is ready. Heat the pan and grease this with oil. Although it is a non-stick pan, to be on the safer side, I greased it. Add our batter so that it spreads in the pan. Cook on medium heat for a few seconds. side and cook for a few more seconds. It's beautifully done. I have some leftover batter, so I'll add some corn flour to make paste. If you don't have, you can use water and corn flour mixture too. Now it's wrapping time. Add filling on the side of the wrapper. Bring it together so that it is easy to roll. Start rolling it. Also turn the sides. Again, roll it. Add some flour mixture. And then roll it again. Our rolls are ready. In the same manner, make all of the rolls. Now it's time to fry. Heat the oil and fry on medium heat. Be careful while frying. Look at the colors, they look so beautiful. Egg rolls are so tasty, and as you saw, they are easy to make. They involve a simple combination of spices, egg, veggies, and chicken. They are a perfect snack for every occasion. Instead of ordering, make your own chicken and vegetable stuffed egg roll. There is chicken and veggies in every bite. Here it is, our most favorite part of the video, the tasting part. So everyone, why are we waiting? Let's start. Ooh, I'm going to have a bit of ketchup. Some chili sauce too. I can't resist chili sauce. Wow, that is so delicious and soft.
I love the combination of eggs, chicken, and vegetable.
Guys, try this recipe, you will like it. And hope you liked the video. And if you did, consider subscribing because more fun videos are coming. I'm going to eat all of these.
I'm going to eat all of these.
No, I'm going to eat all of these.
I'm going to eat all of these.
See, listen. You ate
You know what? Pause.
No.
That is so delicious. You guys still here? Then why not like? Bye.